Friends, today my topic will be about Nawazuddin Siddiqui. So first of all, I want to say all of you good morning, and please my channel name Yade English Speech and my channels please you subscribe. So friends, you listen. Please you listen care. What kind of how has he become successful Nawazuddin Siddiqui? Today please you listen. In first of all, he was a insist boy, Nawazuddin Siddiqui. All of us used to say him, please, whatever you want, you can't do this. And do you want to become actor? Nawazuddin Siddiqui used to say, yes, I want to become good actor. No, his relatives, his neighbors, so much so that his friends used to say him, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, whatever you want, you can't do this. Please, you don't think about. Please, you think other business. You think other thing, other work. But you never thinks that I will make actor. But that time Nawazuddin Siddiqui used to laugh. Okay, okay, relatives, okay, friends, no problem. Whatever, whatever you are saying, please you say. But unless I will not complete this, if I will death, but in without actor, I will not do anything. In like this, Nawazuddin Siddiqui had ambition. Friends, you can imagine how was he ambition, how was he insist. Nawazuddin Siddiqui minds had only one thing, that how many years will take time? 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 25 years in like this will take time, but I have to make actor, then make in whatever will happen about my life. Without actor, I will not do anything, because only my heart wanted that I can do one day in these things. So friends, please you can imagine. All of us used to say him, you are black. Yeah, you can't make actor. Please first of all you look your face, what kind of you are looking. But that time Nawazuddin Siddiqui used to silent. Okay friends, in many times I have seen my face, what kind of I am looking. So friends, and none should not say that whatever you have ambition you can't do this. And now Nawazuddin Siddiqui has success. How has he become successful? He had very hard working. He had done very difficult. So friends, in today I am saying about him in English language, but any words, any words, any translate, I can't speak fluently. For that we want to apologize. But today my topic today my topic was about Nawazuddin Siddiqui. So I am saying, but whatever will be mistake, for that we would not mind. Because I have to speak, that speak. Whatever will be mistake, no problem. Let it mistake. But my heart is saying one day your speech will be right. Your speech will be good. So Nawazuddin Siddiqui, in again by again, I salute you. I salute you that your your mind was strong, your thinking was strong. Please, in same way, in whatever Nawazuddin Siddiqui used to think, in oh that like that I can think and I can do like him. But we have no labors, we have no hard working, we have no any hard working. How will you be successful? So friends, I am not saying I have more knowledge, I have a lot of knowledge. Whatever we have knowledge, so that matters. I am saying you. Friends, I don't long video because this is mobile, this is not computers, and whatever we had knowledge about Nawazuddin Siddiqui, I told you. If any translate, if I mistake, so please, for that we want apologize. Please you forgive me.